Good connection. That's what they needed. 2 men outside the circle. Rashid Khan. Oh, bit of room over the top. That's a very, very fine shot. Be annoyed with the length of that first ball. That's a better length. It's gone over the top. That's a fine shot. That's a beauty. Leg side this time. Got enough on that too. It's a fine shot as well.
इससे पुल किया. गेंद हालांकि पूरी तरह बल्ले पर नहीं आई, लेकिन फील्डर को पीछे छोड़ गई. गेंद को दूर करने की कोशिश की. कामरान अकमल ने चार्ज किया और इससे कट किया. फील्डर है पीछे. कैच होकर गई.
Shot. Rutherford. That's wonderfully played. Oh, he'll get 4. He deserves 4 for that. In the gap. 4 runs. Wow. What a shot.
A couple of big shots, but Rutherford's a man in form, and he's got one away. Squeezed it for a boundary. That's a good start of this over. Oh, that's come off. That has been hit a long way. That's gone for sec. Got 2 up his sleeve. Oh, that's out of the middle as well. That's a huge swing. That is a terrific power hit. Let's club that. And that's gone all the way. That is a fine stroke as well. 2 balls left in this over. Oh, the line is just outstanding again, but he squeezed it away for a boundary.
Team.
Oh, he's hit that strong. That's a very fine shot.